One of the key issues we've been fighting against for a very long time is the sub-minimum wage for tipped workers. It is a direct legacy of slavery, and today the sub-minimum wage for workers who earn tips in the United States is $2.13 at the federal level. That is the wage for about 6 million workers in the United States who earn tips. And that is how we have the prices we have in most of the country, is because workers are not paid. They're paid $2.13. So that was prior to the pandemic. With the pandemic, we saw about 60% of tipped workers and restaurant workers have not been able to access unemployment insurance or have gotten it very, very late, like 4 months later. And that is largely because in so many states, we heard these heartbreaking stories of workers saying, I'm being told that my $2 or $3 wage plus tips is not enough to meet the minimum state threshold to qualify for unemployment insurance, which is insane. These are huge chains that have lobbied for 150 years to keep the wage at $2.